Did the Easter Bunny come? Is it Easter? What day did the Easter Bunny leave you? You should go see what the Easter Bunny left you. Good morning, Desmond!
Hey!
Oh, what did he leave?
I put all how my room.
He put them all over your room?
I see my house.
You want to go see? Okay,
Yeah.
let's get ready first, okay? Oh no. What day is today, Cozy?
Hey.
What day? Is it Easter? Got on her Easter dress? And what are we going to go find?
Hey.
Eggs. Are they all over your house? And we gotta go find them? Tell them how old you are.
Two.
Two. Come on. Go see. Say happy Easter. Yeah, you got an egg. Come on, let's go find more. Let me see what you got.
Okay.
Okay, put it up. Let's go find all the eggs. We'll eat it for breakfast, okay?
Huh?
What's inside those eggs?
Yeah.
Are those finger puppets?
Oh,
Look in the sink.
I see.
Desmond, how big are you? So big! Good job!
Is everybody ready for the great program?
More? Cozy, tell me where we're going.
Hey.
We're gonna go find a new house? Desmond, how big are you? How big? So big! Good job!
Okay, so if you haven't guessed already, we are on another trip. We just can't not travel. It's just in us. We're going to St. George, Utah, because we're thinking about moving there. Just the weather's a lot nicer. It's a smaller town, and we really like it there. I've spent a summer there before, and so we're gonna go check it out. My parents are coming too. They're driving up or driving down with us, and they also might move there. So we're really trying hard to get them to move there. So we're gonna convince them so they move away from Georgia and come live next to us. He doesn't think it's gonna happen. The kids do super well in the car. Cozy just watches a show, and Desmond usually sleeps, but he's not today. I don't know why.
He's a grumpy boy, huh?
But we always just have snacks, and we have shows downloaded. And for Desmond, we... Hey, you stop it! He just chews on random things. Hey! What are you screaming about? You're being silly. But we're just gonna be looking at houses and neighborhoods and different cities around St. George and just making sure that this is somewhere we want to go. Because we need a home base. We want to still keep traveling, but we need a home base. It's easier to be traveling and then to come home and settle down for a little bit and then go off again on another adventure. And to like come home for birthdays and for holidays and to family to come visit. It's just easier to have a place. So that's the update on our life. We're just staying in an apartment right now for the next like 4.5 months. And we're just up near Salt Lake. And we're just looking for where we want to stay. And hopefully we can get everyone down to St. George, my sister and my mom and my dad. So that's what we're trying to do right now. Trying to make some dreams come true. But we'll see what happens. Do you like being in the car? Yeah? You do? And there's my mom. Come here. Come tell everyone where we are. Here, sit down. Sit down. There you go. Where are we?
My new house.
You gonna show them? This is our new hotel. And there's baby. Hey, let's talk to him for a minute. We made it to St. George. We stopped in Cedar City and... Oh, here, go stand over there. We'll show him your swimsuit. Okay, this is Cozy's swimsuit. What animal is that? Octopus. Are you gonna go swimming with Daddy?
Yeah, no, Mama too.
No. Who's that?
Dada!
Ask Daddy.
Let's
You gonna go to the pool?
Yes, I got all
I think we should do it.
Me too.
Okay, so we made it to St. George. We stopped in Cedar City and we really like it there. So I think we're gonna go look at some houses there. It was just super cool. But we're gonna look at houses here in St. George. Do you see her?
Booty, 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 booty,
Is that what she was singing?
I think so.
Do you see her shaking her butt? Look at her.
Like this. Booty, 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 booty. Shake your butt. Shake your butt, Cozy. Booty, 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 booty.
Okay, let's go to the pool. Say bye, Cozy. Bye, Cozy. Bye, Cozy.
Bye, Cody.
No, say bye, YouTube.
Bye, you.
Tell the camera. Say bye, YouTube.
Bye, you.
Say YouTube.
You too.
Say bye, YouTube.
Bye, you too.
See you soon.
See you soon.
Blow a kiss.
Can I have a kiss?
Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The 1 through 10 song. If you want, you can sing with me. Just say the letters. It's easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hey, you give me this foot. Hey, where are you going? You give me this foot. Hey, you give me this. Hey, you come here.